Hello, what's up, guys? So, this is your boy Summer back with a video of Rivals. So, in my channel, this will be my first voice recorded video. You might have heard my voice in some other channel. That is my YouTube partner, in which we had a collab with. So, you can go check their channel out. I'll put the link in the description and please do subscribe. So now we're going to play Rivals as we move on. Okay, so here we go. So today we're going to do two games. We'll just see, yeah. So today we'll do maybe two 1v1s and a game of Swift Standout. Basically, if you don't know what Swift Standout is, you get only 1 HP and you get a revolver and a knife. That's it. With one shot. So we are in a 1v1 right now with some random. He wants construction. Okay. Maybe wants to go on the crane. Okay. I'll take katana here because maybe he's going on a crane and sniping me from there. Or maybe we should. Yeah, I heard the grenade. Yeah, I saw him. We'll just snipe him from here. That's it. Maybe even we should go to the crane. Let's go. We'll change our loadout. I guess no. We can't go right now. He's probably reached. Yeah, we'll just finish him off. And after that, we'll go on the crane in the next round. I hope the crane's. Bro. Okay, so I accidentally wasted the grenade. I don't know if he's about to go. No, he's not going to anything. Oh. Hit him with the daggers. I think that's. What is he using? What? Oh, that's Event Horizon Sniper. Damn. Okay, the crane's here. We can maybe go, but he'll just snipe me while I'm on my way up. Okay, that's a bad jump right there. Yep, we made it, but that was a bad jump. It could have gave us more boost. Yep, and he's shooting me, and I almost. Yep, I'm dead. Yes, so it's the Event Horizon Sniper skin, if I'm not wrong. Maybe staying here will be the best option. Yeah, when he's speaking to there. Missed the headshot though. Right here. What is he doing? Katana. Have to remove my daggers. Finished him off the daggers. Yup. That's crazy. So currently the score is 4-1, as you all can see. We are winning right now. Another like decent jump right here. Okay, he'll remove katana, I know that. Oh, never mind, I headshotted him. GG's. Okay, so now we have played a 1v1, so we'll move towards the Swift standoff. We'll see. Okay, so we are here with a 154 level guy. Wants to choose chess. Okay, he's on a controller. Yes, I guess. We might be cooked. Never mind. See, as I told y'all, it's 1 HP game. So we can just boost like this with the knife. Let's try to get a knife kill after this. I don't really know where he is right now. Okay, I think he's behind me. Yep, I can get the sounds. How did that? Crazy. Got. And we earned the finisher back. And some keys. We'll maybe try going on this. Okay. No! Failed. Close one though. Just a 3 point for him. Didn't mean to do that, but yeah. Hmm. Where is he? Okay. Oh, right there. Right. Spotted him. Spotted. Have to choose my location. Yep. Oh. Didn't see. Okay, so basically the score is 2-2 now. It has gotten equal. We have to make a comeback. I can hear him. I just somewhere here. Yep, right there. Got to proper. Oh no. Oh, looks like he has. I think that's ballet song. If I'm not wrong. Yep, that's ballet song. I guess. I guess I have to close one. The only thing is there that in revolver we got no like we don't have like scope, so that's kind of bad. Okay, I shot him. The score is now equal again. We can win, or he can win. The scores are equal. 50-50 chance. Shot him. And as we know, there's a new summer update on. So there are pearls there. With pearls, we can buy like chests, wrap, charms, and with Robux, we can buy summer skin cases. Okay. And I might also do after a few subscribers, and viewers, I might do a giveaway in Rivals. Yep. And we have just won. So I'll just show. I have 223 pearls right now. We can go and yeah, right here there is 30 pearls we got chest, tropical chest, and universal charm for all weapons. But I feel like for 1,000 pearls that's kind of waste. Pearls is just easy to get, I agree, but still. Let's see what we get in the finisher bag. Okay, Tremble for Gunblade. I don't think I have a good finisher for. No, I have a rice. Oh, yeah, this one. Okay, we'll choose this. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so I'll just show you what is the topical chest exactly. Basically, you can just get everything. So I just got this Summer Days legendary emote from this. I'll show you tropical chest. It's very rare to pull. Legendary, this one. Yup. So we'll just buy more tropical chest. Yeah. Yup. We got 7 of those. We'll open all 7. We'll see. What do we get? Maybe a legendary would be nice. Oh, we got a legendary bubble ball. We'll see. What is it? For RPG, we got Napoleon. Okay, yeah, this looks good. But like Nova was better. Yeah, Nova was better. For shotgun, we got Popsicle. Yeah, I'll choose this. This looks nice. But even Starfall was good. Let's try inverted popsicle. Okay, it's the same. Oh no. Slight different right there. In daggers, we have a good jab. We got this mini flamingo floaty, but we have this legendary one, so we'll choose that. For energy, wait, we have one more thing in daggers. I don't know, the charm only. Yeah. For energy pistols, I got the mini beach ball. That looks good, but doesn't match with the ramp. I'll also choose the legendary one for this. Or maybe the rivals one is also good. Yeah, that is good. For katana, we got watermelon slice. Yeah, that's good, but same again. Mythic. No, let's do fame star. Then we look for grenade. We got a wrap. That's good. Lemonade. Okay. But I felt like supernova is better. But even plastic's good. It's a legendary, but even supernova. So we'll go on with supernova. In shotgun, I think the bubble wrap. Okay, that's good. But even bonk was good. So I'll just choose bonk because it's more rarer. Yeah. So for today, that will be it in the video. We'll continue posting videos now. You might also see me more often in my YouTube partner's channel. We do collab like oftenly. So you will also see me there. For now, bye bye.